Let me Officer, between man and God, this guy just came here. We are just inspecting the water board.
Comrade Musa, I want to sorry for my interruption, please.
President, you. What's the meaning of this now? You are just shouting.
You don't say you are not supposed to be.
No, he's here. He's here. He's supposed to be.
Sir, what is there, sir? What I want the allegation, one of my brother laid that I'm the one disturbing them for not working. I'm not trying to ask the workers here. When you came, where did you see me sit down? As people came, where do you see me sat down? Am I inside? No, I'm here sitting. We're even discussing, joking. This is my local government quarter, and I cannot allow such anything to spoil here. I'm here for the good of this local government, and I'm a journalist. I will interview after they finish, and they have their right to grant interview, and they also have their right not to grant interview. My own is just to write a report. If I defame any fucking person, he has the right to go to a proper channel to channel his matter, because it's my right under a journalism. You understand, sir? If I report a false report here, they have right to deal with me. And by the way, again, there's a law being signed through the Goodluck Jonathan. I have the right to ask for information as an indigene on soil of the land of this country.
Moreover, this is a public property.
I think you understand. I don't know why. And when the president came, you see, before I came in, I called president that I'm coming. You understand? And he told me that his representative is here. Since I came, I just come and sat down here. But a person to come that I have limitation in Lafiagi is a lie under fundamental right. I'm a Nupe, I'm from Tanaji and a local government area. It's only where the right restrict that I cannot be able to enter. And as a journalist, see my working too. I have the right. This thing, it has been public. It's been public.